My name is Rebecca Science and I'm the coach for the Crimson Group. Our goal is to help undocumented students find resources so that they can come to college, stay in college, and graduate college and be successful in and out of college.
My biggest fear was finding ways to afford college.
How am I going to be able to pay tuition and how am I going to be able to live there?
I migrated when I was a little kid at 2.5 from Mexico.
What motivates me to finish college is probably my siblings and my parents.
Ever since I struggled up to the 4th grade, I did not understand, speak, or write English.
Because they obviously came to the United States for a reason.
Thanks to the persons that have influenced me over my life, or the education I received, I have been able to keep going forward.
Which is to give me and my sisters a better education.
And just my family just pushing me constantly to do better because they couldn't have an education.
All of the hard work my parents have put in to get me to where I am.
My parents have always been very supportive and encouraging. They want what's best for me.
My main motivation is to not let them down.
And I want to be able to help them in the long run as well and make them proud.
And that's something that most of us want, is to give back to our parents.
I would have to say definitely my family, just because I want to set an example for them.
Because they work so hard for us.
But honestly, my biggest motivation is just giving hope to other undocumented students.
Ever since I was in high school, I wanted to be an engineer. And now that I'm in college, I can make that dream a reality.
I'm going to graduate with a bachelor's degree in human development.
Looking down at my sisters, I want to be a motivation for them. I want them to choose higher education as well.
I hope to become an athletic trainer and work in that field.
My ultimate goal is to go for a PhD. So I definitely want to do research in the future in renewable energy.
But I also want to remain involved in helping undocumented students.
I wanted to study a lot about how to help students who are in hard situations, as I was.
I can make a change in not only in my culture, but in my family's life as well as in mine.
I wanted to be able to graduate and look at someone who's undocumented and say, hey, 4 years later, still undocumented, I've made it this far, you can too.
I feel like the Crimson Group gives help to those who don't know what to do when they're in high school.
I feel like the Crimson Group is important to me because I have a space where I can be me.
The Crimson Group helped me a lot while I was at WSU. It's the only reason I was able to find the job I currently have, and they also helped to connect me with different resources on campus.
That's why I'm in the Crimson Group, that's why I do what I do, and hopefully it'll work.
Forming a voice
so that dreamers may no longer dream,
but experience.